Hi Intro to Art students, here's a little video describing what we've been up to today in case you missed it or in case you want a review. I'm going to dive in here. So we're in our Google Classroom page, period 6, Intro to Art. Today is Thursday, September 10th, so it's our first day of class, and if you missed us live, what we did was we first accessed our Google Classroom together, met as a Google Meet. So that's how we begin class, always, no matter where you are. Hop onto Google Meet. The link is right here. It's embedded into our Google Classroom page, so it's always there, easy to access. And we're going to connect, we chat, we catch up, and make sure that we all know what we're supposed to be doing today. So if you missed that, hop on tomorrow for our Friday Google Meet right at the beginning of class at 1:10. So okay, so what we did today is we hopped onto classwork, and this is where we're going to keep our work and assignments, our class calendar, things that you're looking for. They're going to be found here. Okay, so your class calendar is an awesome resource for you. That's how you access this video. You click it, and then you look at the date, Thursday, September 10th. Oh, you see that there's, oh, I'm kind of on it, hovering on it on my other computer. Let's see if I can get out of there. Give me 1 second here. Okay, better. So here we've got that's better. Okay, so this is Thursday, September 10th. Let's get back on the pointer. Click the link here. It's going to bring you into our daily work. And don't look ahead there. That's secret. All right, Thursday, September 10th, Intro to Art, Miss Valley, daily work. Begin class with Google Meet. Check in. Review the class syllabus. Material posted under the topic syllabus. Email Miss Valley with any questions regarding the syllabus. So make sure you do that. Again, so the class calendar, it's right at the top of our classwork page, I guess. Click on that. It's going to bring you here. Click the link. That takes you to our class for this day. It's going to bring you to the daily work log. So whatever you missed, you can catch up on that day. Don't let things get out of control as far as like missing things or falling behind. Okay, so stay up to date. So the syllabus that I'm asking you to review, if you missed that with us, is right here under syllabus. So just click it, and you're going to read through this. It's not huge. It's 3 pages, and the bulk of the writing is up front here on the first page about what our class is going to look like. And it's going to be really different than my past Intro to Art classes because this year is really different, and we're under some odd constraints for teaching art. So read through that. If you have any questions, I want you to email me, EliseValley@moundsviewschools.org. It'll come up right when you type in Valley, or, I mean, Elise, no one knows how to spell that anyways. So type in Valley and I'll pop up. Send me any questions you have and I will get back to you. Otherwise, I will see you tomorrow for our last class of the week, Friday at 1:10. So remember, hop over here. Join with the Google Meet right away. We're just going to get started together and dive right into some fun stuff. I hope you're doing well. Thanks for watching. Have a good one.